Hey guys, my name is Peter. I will be showing you how to use the BuukMeNow app. So if you happen to be a business, right, or if you're an agent that is trying to get users or businesses signed up on our app, I believe it's best you understand the app and know how everything functions, so you have a better chance on convincing people or even getting convinced as a user to know that this is the best solution for you. So if it happens, so this video would be in this video would be a series of features, right? So that way it will be broken down to different parts. That way, if you're looking for something specific, you would be able to navigate and find what you're looking for without having to watch through like a 1 hour video or something of that sort, right? Yeah, so the aim of this video, I repeat, is to actually have you understand how our app works and how you can actually sign people up and for you to understand the features and to be able to answer any questions that the business owners will ask you as an agent. That's if you're an agent. If you happen to be a business watching this, I think you're all good. But if you're an agent, it's best to actually understand what the app does and how it does things before you can proceed, right? So first thing I want to do is to tell you more about the BuukMeNow app. So I'm going to go to the website so that you see what that is, right? So I'm currently sharing my phone screen so that way you can follow me as I speak. So when you go to the website, it's pretty straightforward. It tells you that BuukMeNow lets you receive bookings and down payments. That is essentially what the app does. So let's take an example, right? So if you're a business or if you're somebody that does business in the service industry, so basically you can render a service and you want people to pay for it before the day or before they come, or you want them to book a slot from your time, right? BuukMeNow is the app for you. So essentially just helps you manage all your services. So you provide all your services on the app, and then you can actually now set prices on those services and also specify how much deposit you want before you can proceed. So if you go to the website, it gives you basic information about what the app is about. But hey, I am here, so we're going to go right into it on how to go from signing up to getting your first payment. Let's get into the video setup. The first thing you want to do is download the BuukMeNow mobile app on the business's phone, like the business owner's phone, right? Or whichever, maybe if they have a representative, you can actually have them download the app. So if you're on the iOS, if you're on Apple device, you can go to the App Store. But if you're on Android, you can go to the Google Play Store, the same thing. So once you go to the App Store, the first thing you want to do is search for the app. So to search for the app, you search for BuukMeNow. And the spelling is BuukMeNow. So BuukMeNow, right? You can see the spelling BuukMeNow. So once you search this, the first app you probably see is our app, which in this case you see it will be BuukMeNow for business. But if you don't see the app, just scroll through, confirm that the spelling is correct, and then scroll through, and then you actually find the apps, right? So we'll click on the app, and then we would download the app. Because I'm on an Apple phone, okay, it didn't ask me to verify because I downloaded it before deleting it. Okay, our app is downloaded. So you see there on the bottom right corner of my screen, you can now see that there's the BuukMeNow app. Let's open it and get started. So the first thing is, once you open the app, it asks you to accept notifications. Please click allow. That's because whenever bookings come through, the user needs to be notified, and we are sending push notifications to the person's phone. So it's very important that this person allows notification. Next thing, we can click get started. So once you click get started, they are now required to register on the app, right? So for your registration, the first step is to actually provide your personal detail. So this personal detail is, as you can see at the top, it says account owner details, right? So provide the information below to get started with your account creation. So we'll proceed. My name is Peter Onisha. For my email, I can use, let me see, onikoda@gmail.com. Yeah, for the mobile, I'm just going to provide my phone number 09045465817. And for password, I can just set the password. And you have to confirm the password again. And when you're done, click accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you're done with that, you click sign up and you're ready to go. So with that, we've done the first step, which is the personal information. The next step now is actually to provide the business data. So now you're required to upload the business logo or any flyer they have or any picture. So it's required. So you have to do that. And now this is to make sure that your business page looks very neat and professional. So we are going to provide a picture. So I'm going to go to my gallery and choose a random picture I find there. I actually went for my dental appointment today, so I'm going to use the dental picture, right? I'll just click that as the image. Business name, I can say dental clinic, since the picture is something like that. I can click dental clinic. For industry, I can look for something that has to do with let me see if we have anything here that has to do with health or something. Hospitality, that's not it. Healthcare, yeah, the second option is healthcare, so we'll choose healthcare. And next thing is address. I can put something like a random address. Let me just say Ikeja. Let me say Ikeja, Lagos. Right. The country I'm going to choose Nigeria. I'm going to choose Nigeria. But let me choose Ghana because I will need to verify payments. But you can choose Nigeria since this businesses are Nigerian business, right? So that means I will change the address to, let me say Accra, for example. Business description, right? I can now provide what my business does. Let me say we treat any teeth problems, and then I click save to proceed, right? And yeah, I skipped the point where they can also attach their social media details as well, right? But now this is information that they can always come back to edit, so you don't have to stress, right, at the beginning stage. But as an agent, it's your job to make sure that they actually provide accurate data, because this information will be because this information will be showing publicly on their business page. So it's really important that the information is correct. So next thing is you click on the select bank or network and actually connect their payout details. So the payout details is to make sure that whenever they receive paid bookings on their storefront, the money is sent to that connected account. That's why it's important, right? So when we click select bank, we are connected to all the banks in Ghana and all the banks in Nigeria. So you can, because this is a Ghana account I've created, that's why I'm seeing Ghana banks. But for you, you can see Nigerian banks. Choose the bank, then enter the account number. So I'm going to choose MTN. Ghana, there is banks and there is mobile money. I'll choose MTN, and I'll enter my MTN phone number. So in your case, if it's Nigeria, you choose a Nigerian bank and enter the account number. When you're done, you click verify details. Once you do that, it will fetch the account name. You can see that's my full name, Peter Onisha Peregbakomo. And when you're done, you click save. So what this does is that it's going to link the person's bank account details to their app. It means that whenever somebody books them, the money is sent to that app. Key thing to understand is that we are not taking any money for signing up. It's free to get business to sign up on the app. So as agents, make sure you don't charge anybody any money to sign them up to our app. It's free to sign up on the app. So the next thing, just so this video is not too long, I'm going to stop the video here. The next thing will be to go to the profile, see the other features or things you can edit in your profile. Then we would continue. See you in the next video.